where we're gonna harvest some sweet potatoes that I've been growing in 5-gallon buckets. All right, so from one side you can barely tell that I actually have 5-gallon buckets right here. But I just took a couple of, like I said, 5-gallon buckets. This one was already busted up, so I just took the top off of that one. Let's move these vines out the way. Same thing right here. And this one has one, look like 2 of the slips made it into that one. And the same thing over here. So for now, I'm just gonna remove the tops off of this one. Check that out. One big old huge sweet potato. It's another nice one right there. Got another one. All right, from 2 sweet potato slips. So far I got this. Let's go ahead and see what comes out of this one. Two more sweet potato slips. That's what I got. And that's all right there. Oh. Another sweet potato. Alright, so that's it. Boy, if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. I'll holler at you.